Good morning, YouTube modeling community. It's Jim over here at Jim's Model Car Garage. Coming at you today. I'm a stash update and let everybody know why I haven't been commenting on videos in the last week. Everybody knows that my dad passed away last November, and my stepmother finally decided to get rid of dad's stuff. So she called me up, or we talked, and I went over there and got everything that was my dad's and brought it home. So I didn't know when my dad passed. I know Jeff from Jeff's Model Garage kind of announced it on YouTube about him passing. I wasn't sure if I had shown a picture of my dad or not. And so I thought, okay, this would be a good time to do it. This is my dad in the Indian shirt. My dad and I weren't the closest. I was very proud of the man. He was a hell of a guy. He loved sports, man. Played basketball, softball. He didn't play football, but I mean, he watched every sport there was to watch. Man, when I was growing up as a kid, on Sundays, the TV was done. You couldn't watch TV. That was Dad's day. He got the TV the entire day. So I'll never forget that. I used to get so mad. But you know what? Just to have him back, I'd let him watch sports all day long. So while I was over there, though, I also spent 3 days or 3.5 days with my best friend from high school. And I try to get over there about this time or early spring every year because they have a huge automotive swap meet over in Canfield, Ohio. And there's a guy over there who sells models, and I try to visit him every time I go over, and he gives me some pretty good deals on kits. So let's go over here and I'll show you what I got from him, and we'll just go from there. There we go. The first one is this 67 Dodge Charger 426 Hemi. I actually just traded one of these kits with Jeff from Jeff's Model Car Garage because he wanted it. And after I did, I thought, man, I want to build one of them too. So I found this one at the swap meet and bought it. The next one I bought was the 76 Dart. I bought this because of HBI Guy. I seen him build it on his channel. Thought, man, this is cool. It's a good looking car. I'm gonna have to get that one. And same thing over here. We had the 66 Chevy Nova, another HBI Guy build. I hope this is a better kit than the Pro Street one. I mean, this is the only difference is this one's not Pro Streeted. I know it's a new release, so I'm hoping that it goes together better than what the Pro Street one does. And then we got this 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. I bought this one. I didn't realize when I bought it it's curbside, so I thought it doesn't make any difference. This will be a good quick build for, between a group build or something like that. And finally, I got Grumpy's Vega. I wanted to buy 2 or 3 of these kits, but the guys, I don't know, he wouldn't let one per person, so I only got this one. So I think that's about it. Like I said, I just wanted to show you my dad, my stash update, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great work week, and we will see you at the next video. You take care, guys. Bye.